Good morning, reception, and welcome to another English lesson all about our story, Dinosaurs Galore. If you haven't listened to this story today, press the pause button and listen to the story now. Tuesday, the 23rd of February, and our learning objective today is to write about the story setting. Our success criteria is I can say what a story setting is. I can say where this story is set. I can talk about the setting for this story. I can write a sentence about the setting using the steps to success, which we're going to look at a little bit later in this lesson. So, first of all, identify. What is a setting? A setting is where the story happens. So we talked about story settings before half term, and we found out that there's lots of different settings for stories because there's lots of different stories and they all happen in different places. So here we've got some pictures of some possible story settings. We've got the beach, a forest, a castle. Think of as many story settings as you can and tell your mum and dad your settings. Press the pause button while you do this. So, let's explore. Talk to your mum or dad about where Dinosaurs Galore happens. Where is the setting for Dinosaurs Galore? It might help you to think about where dinosaurs lived when they were alive. These pictures might help you. Press the pause button while you think about the setting for Dinosaurs Galore. Okay, children, let's see if you were right. Where is Dinosaurs Galore set? Well, dinosaurs lived a long time ago. They mostly lived in jungles and rainforests, often near volcanoes and water. So Dinosaurs Galore is set in a rainforest or a jungle. Here's a picture of a rainforest. And also, Dinosaurs Galore is set near water because some of the dinosaurs in the story, we saw them having a bath in the water. Dinosaurs did like the water. Some dinosaurs lived in the water all the time. Before we do our writing today, we are going to explore the sentence steps to success. If we follow these points, we will always write good sentences that make sense and that you can read and other people can read. So, to write a sentence, the first thing you need to do is to say your sentence. And you need to say your sentence lots of times so that you've held that sentence in your head. When you start writing, we use our phonemes and our fret fingers to sound out the words. Start your sentence with a capital letter. All sentences start with a capital letter. Write on the line. Our words and letters don't jump up in the air. They sit nicely on the line. Leave spaces between words. So, to make your writing easier to read, make sure that you have a space, just like we have here, in between each word. Put a full stop at the end of your sentence. Some sentences don't end with full stops. Some sentences may end with a question mark or an exclamation mark. But most of the sentences we write will end with a full stop. Read your sentence. That is very important. Once you've written your sentence, read it back to make sure that it makes sense. So we're going to use these steps to success to write our sentence today. Okay, now we know where Dinosaurs Galore is set and we know the sentence steps to success. We're ready to write our sentence. So when you write your sentence, you're going to be using writing sheet 2. let's write our sentence together. So our sentence is, it is set in a rainforest. Let's say that together. It is set in a rainforest. It is set in a rainforest. Now we've held that sentence in our heads, we're ready to start. It. 2 fred fingers for it. It. Pinch those phonemes. It. So we start with a capital letter. I. Is. 2 fred fingers for is. Pinch those phonemes. I. S. Finger space. I. S. Set. 3 fred fingers for set. 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 Finger space. S. E. Finger space, in. 2 fred fingers, I, n. Make sure you're pinching those fred fingers, I, n. Finger space, I, n. A, finger space, A. Rainforest. Rainforest is quite a long word. I'm not sure I'm going to fit it on here, so I'm going to start down here. It is set in a rainforest. Now, rainforest has got different amounts of syllables. Let's clap the syllables in rainforest. Rain-for-wrist. Rain-for-wrist. So the first syllable is rain. Let's use our fred fingers to sound out rain. 3 fred fingers in rain. R-A-N. R-A-N. R-A. Special friends. A. N. Rain. Forest. Let's clap forest. Forest. 2 syllables in forest. R. And then rest. Let's sound out rest. 4 fred fingers. Let's pinch those phonemes. R-E-S-T. R-E-S-T. Let's write them down. R. E. S. Fantastic. We have written quite a long word there, children. Rainforest. Let's read our sentence back. It is set in a rainforest. Full stop at the end of our sentence. Okay. Well done, children. We could also write another sentence. It is set near lakes and volcanoes. So when you do your sentence, maybe you could do an extra sentence as well. It is set in a rainforest. It is set near lakes. It is set near volcanoes. Okay, so it's your turn to do some writing now, children. Write a sentence about the story setting. Use writing sheet 2. Make sure you also use your sentence steps to success. Say your sentence. Use phonemes and fred fingers. Start your sentence with a capital letter. Write on the line. Leave spaces between words. Put a full stop at the end of your sentence and then read your sentence back to make sure it makes sense. Okay, well done for all your hard work today. And good luck with your writing. I'm looking forward to seeing your writing about the story setting. Goodbye.